I think they should start with defined use cases. So the question always to the company that I talk to is, what are the low-hanging fruits? Look at your business. Look at where a large proportion of your time and effort is taken. So if you take to customers, it might be, one or two transactions like updating of a contact details or changing an order or doing a refund. That might account for 10, 20% of all of your time. If you can take those use cases and you can find an agent to be able to automate those use cases, you get the big benefit from that. And then you gradually start looking at ways to add on and to move more of your stuff into agentic. I think companies that start with a big bang approach, it's quite difficult for them to do. I try and find particular use cases where they make a lot of sense, and to my question, where customers are happy. If I'm going to go online and say, oh no, get my telephone number, I'm okay for an AI agent to do that. It's not a problem. I don't need to speak to a human. If I've got a really complicated problem, or I've got something which has some emotion behind it, I want to just talk about something to somebody, I might not want an agent to do it. So I think they have to look carefully around where humans need to fit in and where agents can fit in, and look at where the agentic stuff can add value and where humans still add value. Because this to us is about humans and agents working together. It's not about AI replacing humans. It's about looking at ways that humans can augment, and humans are useful for doing creative stuff. They're useful for building a relationship. They're useful for empathy. All of those things that you want humans to do, make sure humans do more of that, and make sure agents do more of the mundane autonomous stuff that can be done.